So hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm in coaching center. So today I'm going to explain you that is the 10th standard max 15th chapter probability part probability. So as you know, so in class 9 you have already studied some of the experimental probabilities events based on their results actual experiment. Let us discuss by taking one example. So a toss has been done. In that head is toss is 1000 times. In that head we got is 455 times, and 545 times is the tails. So based on this experiment, it is 455 by 1000. If we do 0.44, getting the tails is 0.54. Is the probability we get. This is example. In class 9th, we have defined about the experimental or empirical probability of an event, that is P to P of the event is equal to number of trials in which the event happened, total number of trials. The theoretical probability of an event, it depends on event is equal to number of outcomes from outcomes of favorable to event, number of all possible outcomes of the experiment. Like that explanation. Like that, let us take one example. We have to find the probability of getting in head when a coin is tossed once. So also finding the probability of getting a tail. So probability in this experiment, the tossing of a coin once, the experiment of possible outcome is 2 head and tail, or let events be the events getting of head. So therefore the number of outcoming favorable event is 1. So therefore probability of head is equal to number of outcomes from the favorable event is 1, and number of all possible outcomes is 2. So therefore it is 1 by 2 is the probability of event. Like that only, here you can see some of the sums of your 10th standard max 15 chapter probability. So let's solve the sums. Let's solve one by one. In first main, in exercise 15.1, first main they have asked to find the probable to like fill in the blanks they have asked. So probability of an event plus probability of an event not E, that will be equal to 0, because probability of event, if it is 0 plus 1, if we take it will be 1, so therefore it is 1. Next, the probability of event that cannot happen, that will be 0 only. No, if it happens then only we can say 1 or not. But if it is not happening, means probability of event is not happening, so therefore it is 0. And like this, the important thing is that event that does not happen, that is 0, is called as impossible event. Next is the probability of an event that is certain to happen. The probability of an event that would happen, is called happen is 1. We'll tell it as 1. Such type of events are called as sure event or current event, because certain event, because sure event means surely we have 100% sure that this event will happen. Next is the probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0. The probability of an event is greater than or it should be equal to 0, and should be lesser than or equal to 1. Next, which of the following experiments have equally likely outcomes? So A, First question is they have asked a driver attempt to start a car. So it is not an equal and the car starts or does not start. So it is not an equally likely events because as it depends on various factors about the engine and whether that car is working or not. So on different conditions it depends and they are not the same in that purpose. So therefore we cannot say it is equally likely outcomes. Next, a player attempts to shot a basketball. He shots or misses the shot. See, if it is not an likely event because as it depends on the player's ability. They did not describe what is player's ability or how he plays, whether he is a good basketball player or not. So we cannot say what he will hit that shot goes or it misses. A trial is made to answer true or false. The answer is right or wrong. Yes, it is an equally likely event because you will get only two answers here. Whether it is true, you will get true, or you will get false. Only two answers here you will get. Next is a baby is born. It is a boy or girl. So to find that, so it is an equally likely events because you will find that baby whether it is boy or girl. You will see that soon. And they are asking only that question whether it is boy or girl. No more question they are asking. Next question. So why is tossing a coin considered to be a fair way of deciding which team should get the ball at the beginning of the football game? Why it is important tossing the coin? So when you toss a coin, as you know, you have saw in a cricket match or football, in any match there will be tossing coin. You may have saw in the tossing, you know, in that only two outcomes you will get. One it will be head or tail, which are equally likely outcomes because there are likely outcomes means only two outcomes you will get. Only two. Therefore, the results of in the toss is completely unpredictable. You cannot predict will it be head or tail if they have not given any question there whether if they have not given any question about that you cannot predict it whether it will be head or tail. So which of the following cannot be probability of an event? 2 by 3 minus 1.5 15% 0.7. So in this probability of event, as you know, probability of event is always greater than or equal to 0 and it should be greater less than or equal to 1. But in this case the negative minus 1.5 is greater than 1 as you can see. So therefore it is B, where 2 by 3 if you divide you will get lesser than 0.5 or any number, but it is 0 to 1 it is, and 15% it is you cannot take. 0.7 it is D, D 0.7. See here it is 0 to 1, in that it is 0.7 you can take because it is greater than 0 and it is lesser than 1 also, so therefore it is correct. So therefore B is 1 minus 1.5 is the not cannot be the probability of that event. Next, probability of event is equal to 0.05. What is the probability of not an event? So probability of an event is equal to 1 minus probability of event, means sorry probability of not an event. This symbol decides not an event. So it is 1 minus 0.05. How means 1 minus 0.05? It is equal to 0.95. It will be 0.95. 1 is the probability of not an event, that you should take 1. Next.
Burn.
So next is a bag containing lemon flavored candies only. A bag contains only lemon flavored candies. Okay. See, It contains only lemon flavored candies. Melina takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability of that she takes out an orange flavored candy and a lemon flavored candy? So first question, the orange flavored candy. So the bag contains only lemon flavored candies in the question they have mentioned. So it does not contain any orange flavored candy. So therefore it implies that every time she will get only lemon flavored candy only. So therefore event that Melina will take out an orange flavored candy it is an impossible event, means 0. Next, a bag that contains all lemon flavored candies, Melina will take out only lemon flavored candies. Therefore, that Melina will take out a lemon flavored candy only. So sure, therefore it will be the event will be answer will be 1. So next it is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students that they are not having the same birth is 0.992. What is the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday? So probability of 2 students that are not having same birthday is p to the power not an event is equal to 0.992. So you have to take 1 minus 0.992, that will be equal to 0.008. So therefore 0.008 is the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday. Next question is a bag that contains that bag has 3 red balls, 5 black balls. So from that you think you have randomly taken a ball from that bag. What is the probability that the ball you have taken from that bag is red ball? So you have to add total number of balls, 5 plus 3, 3 red balls, 5 black balls. Therefore it will be 8. And in that they are asking what is the probability the ball drawn is red. So in that 3 by 8 you have to do, because the number of favorable outcomes of the question they are given 3 balls and total number of balls is 8. So therefore it will be 3 by 8. The probability of not getting a red ball, that will be 1 minus 3 by 8 you have to take, because 1 minus means not getting means 1 you have to take. 1 minus probability of not getting a red ball. 3 minus 8 if you do, you will get 5. Simply you can say, you can put that, see, black balls, 5 black ball it is there. So therefore that 5 black ball you will get, if instead of red ball you will get 5 black ball, because they are asking in that question that how much that you will get, not a red ball you will get, not red ball you will get. So therefore it will be 5 by 8 is the total, is the number of not red ball you will get. So a box contains 5 marbles. In that 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. Next, what is the probability that the marble taken out of that in that random will be red, white or not green? In the first we will take red. So 5 red marble, 8 white marble, 4 green marble. Add all of these to get the total number of marble. Therefore it will be 17. In that number of red marble, they are asking red marble in that first question. So therefore is equal to 5 by 17 is the red marble. Next, number of white marble. White marble is 8. So 8 by 17 is the number of white marbles. Next, number of not 4 green marbles. So therefore it will be 13 by 7. How means they are asking not green marbles, means you have to add red marble and white marble. How much it will be? 13. So 13 is the not green marble. 4 you have to leave because it is green marble. You have to leave it because you don't want a green marble. In question they have asked you you have to take no leaving green, you have to take other marbles. So therefore it is 13 other marbles are there. So therefore 13 by 17 is the not of green marble probability. Okay, simple. Like that one is simple, very easily you should solve the problems, not take attention. Next, a piggy bank, it contains 150 paisa coins, 150 paisa coins, and 50 rupees one coin. A piggy bank it has 20 rupees 2 coins and 10 rupees 5 coins. This piggy bank has. So if it is equally likely that one of the coin will fail out or fall out, one of the coin will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that it will be 50 paisa coin? Next, what will be the probability that it will be 5 paisa coin? Now you have to add all the things. Here they asked 100, 50 paisa coin, 50 rupees one coin, 22 rupees coin and 10. When you this all add, you will get 180 total number of piggy banks, coins in the piggy banks. In this, the number of 50 paisa coins is equal to 100. So 100 is the 50 paisa coin. So therefore 100 by 180, when you divide it, you will get 5 is to 9. So 5 by 9. So this is the probability of 50 paisa coins. Number of 50 paisa coins. Number of 5 rupees coins, so that is 10. 10 5 rupees coins, number of rupees 5 coins is 10. So therefore it is 10 by 18, that is equal to 1 by 18. So therefore it is equal to 17, because 18 minus 1 17. They have asked number of 5 coins, number of rupees 5 coins they have asked. So therefore you have to take 18, means 10 by 180 is equal to the probability of not getting 5 coins, not getting rupees 5 coins, that is equal to 17 by 18. You have to minus it. Next question. See, Gopi, who buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium, he buys a fish. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from the tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish? Total number of fish in the tank is 5 plus 8, 13. 13 total number of fishes in the tank. In that, they are asking probability of getting a male fish. In that question, they have given 5. In that question, 5 male fish. So 5 is to 13. Simple. Easy. It is easy, but you have to think little bit. You have to understand the question. They have asked what is the probability of getting male fishes. In that number of favorable outcomes, what they want is 5 in male fish. How much male fish are there in that aquarium? 5. Simple. 5 by total number of fishes in that aquarium is 13. So therefore 5 by 13 is the probability. Simple. You have to think simple. For the simple questions, think simple. Don't make it more difficult for you by solving it wrongly. Okay. Next question, let us come. So these all are the questions that are in your textbook notes question. Okay, that are given left in your textbook. The questions they have given exercise 15.1 question. It is okay. Don't get confused. These are your chapters question textbook in exercise they have given. No, from that I have taken these questions. Okay. Next question number 12 is a game of chance consists of spinning an arrow. A game of chance. It has spinning of arrows, which that when the arrows come to rest pointing at one of the number, it comes to rest. The total number present in that wheel is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, here in this image also you can see, and they are equally likely outcomes. So what is the probability that it will be point A? What is the probability that the outcome will be point A? First question is 8. What is the probability that the outcome will be 8? In this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 is think wisely. Okay, how much time the 8 has come? Only one. Probability of coming 8 outcome is 8. Probability of getting 8 is 1 only, no, because there is 1. 8 is there only for once, so therefore 1 is to 8 is the ratio. Here is the answer. 1 by 8 is the answer. Okay. Next question. Probability of getting one odd number. Odd number is equal to 4 by 8, because 4 in 8, 4 odd numbers are there, 4 even numbers. So 4 odd, they are asking odd numbers. So 4 is 4 by 8. When you divide it, you will get 1 by 2. So therefore 1 by 2 is the number probability of getting the odd number. Next, a number of greater than 2. What is the probability of getting the number greater than 2? Greater than 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in that a greater means they leaving that greater than 2 is leaving 1 and 2 till 8 there are 6 numbers. So 6 2 by 8. So when you do it, you will get 3 by 4. So therefore it is 3 by 4 is the probability of getting a number greater than 2. Next, the number less than 9, or they are asking what are the number less than 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 by 8, that is 1 is 2. 1 is the total answer. Probability of getting number less than 9 is 1. That's all. Simple. Think correctly. Understand the question, what they are asking. Right? Think after that. First you read the question. You have to read the question. Now, a die is thrown once. They are thrown a die. Now, we have to find the probability of getting a prime number in that die. What are the possible outcomes in the die? You will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the outcomes. Leaving that, what you will get? 0 you will not get. Leaving 6, you will not get any more numbers. So prime numbers in the dice are, what are the prime numbers? In the dice, they are 2, 3, 5. 3 prime numbers in the dice. Therefore 3 by 6, that will be a equal to 1 by 2. So therefore 1 by 2 is the prime numbers you will get in that dice. Simple. The questions are very easy. Think correctly, that's all. Next, a number lying between 2 and 6. 2 and 6, the number lying between 2 and 6 is 3, 4, 5. 3 numbers, 3 by 6. Again 1 is to 2. Next, an odd number. 3 odd numbers. 3 odd numbers will get in that. So therefore 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Same, all are same. Think correctly. Wait. Read the question correctly. Answer you will only get, because probability is an easy chapter. Okay, you have to think correctly, that's all. Think correctly and wisely. Answer you will only get. Next, think. You have one card. One card is drawn from a shuffle of 52 cards. As you know, 52 cards shuffle, one card is taken. What is the probability of getting a king of red color? What is the probability that you will get a king of red color? 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. The question gone somewhere. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, you will get red color. The king of red color. What is that probability? So 52. 2 by 52. What is 2 by 52 when you divide? It will be equal to 1 by 26. So therefore 1 by 26 is the probability of getting a king of red color. Next question is the total number of face cards. Face cards. What are face cards are? 12 face cards will be there in the cards. That face cards 12 by 52 when you do, it will be 3 by 13. And total number of red faced card in that will be 6. 6 by 52 will be 3 by 26. So this is the total number of face cards. Red faced cards. Next, total number of jack of heart. 1 by 52. It will be 1 by 52. If you divide also, nothing you can divide. So 1 by 52 only. Next, total number of spade cards. Spade card is there. That is 13. 13 by 52. 13 1 is 13. 13 4 is 52. 1 by 4 is the probability of the total number of spade card. Next, total number of queen of diamond. 1 by 50. 1 queen of diamond is there in that card. In that 52 bucks of card, 1 queen diamond will be there. So therefore 1 by 2, 1 by 52 is the total number of queen of diamond probability. Next question is, find cards that 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace of the diamond are well shuffled with the face downward. One card is taken then picked up at randomly or random. What is the probability that the card is the Queen that is taken out? Total number of cards present in that is 5. That is there are 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace of the diamond, 5 cards. In that, one is taken, so therefore the probability is 1 by 5 is the probability of the question 1. If the queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability the second card picked up is A and Ace? So in that 1 by 4 you have to take, because they have asked in that question is one queen is drawn. They have given one queen card. You take that. 5 minus 1 how much? Because you are taking that queen card out, so therefore it will be 4. So therefore it will be equal to 1 by 4 is the probability of this queen of this question. In that question A, question B is a queen. 0 by 4, because that queen card you have already taken out. How it will be there again? So probability is 0, because if there is no event is happening, because you already taken away that event, that product, that event object what it should be there. So how it will happen? So therefore it is 0. Think correctly. What they have asked, think correctly and write the answer, okay? Don't be in a hurry. Think correctly what the question they have given. Think on that question. Don't think anything else. Next, 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good pen. If 132 good pen is there, 12 bad pen are mixed with that. It is defected. There is no that are not good pen. It is not possible to just look at the pen and tell whether it is not, whether it is good or no, it is defected. One pen is taken out randomly from that lot. Bit of that pen taken out is good one, so good one is that pen we have taken out. So in that 132 plus 12 you have to add, because they have said defective pen, it is not added still, so therefore you have to add it. It's totally 144 pens. In that the good pen is 132 by 144 you do. So therefore the probability of getting the good pen in that defective pens and good pens is 11 by 12. Like this you have to think. Next, a lot of 20 bulbs that contains 4 defective ones. In the 20 bulb, 4 is defective one. Keep it like that. Probability that this bulb is defective. What is the probability that in that the 4 that is defective one bulb that you have taken out, it is defective one? What is that probability? First question, let us take total number of bulb is 20. In that 4 is defective bulb, so 4 by 20, so therefore 1 by 5 is the probability of that question. In next question they have asked, suppose the bulb drawn out is not defective and is not replaced. It is not defective but it is not replaced also. Now one bulb is drawn at randomly from the reset. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? It is not defective. So in the 20, one bulb is drawn out. It is taken out. Take one bulb out. 16 minus 1, and remaining is 20 minus 1 is 19. So therefore it will be 15. So 15 by 19 is the not defective bulb. Okay. Like that you have to think. So next is, a box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. Keep like that. If one disc is drawn at randomly from the box, what is the probability that that it pairs 2-digit number? See, the total 1 to 90, the 2-digit number is 81. Okay, think wisely. In 1 to 90, 2-digit number is 81. From 10 it starts, 2-digit number 10 to 90. So therefore 81 by 90 is equal to 9 by 10. 9 by 10. So 9 by 10 is the 2-digit number. Next, a perfect square number. A perfect square number is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64 and 81. So therefore 9 by 90. 9 square is ARC 9 number over there. 9 by 90, that is equal to 1 by 10 is the probability. Next question is a number divisible by 5. The number that is 1 to 90 that is divisible by 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, finally 90. And when you take all this, 18 is there. 18 by 90 is the probability. So therefore it will be 1 by 5 is the probability of that number that is divisible. So therefore this is 1 by 5 is the probability. A child has a die whose 6 faces shows the letter that is given below. Here the letter is A, B, C, D, E, A. Okay. In that, what is the point of getting A? A is 2 by 2 A is there in that dice. Is here first one A and last one is A. So therefore 2 by 6. 2 by 6 is equal to 1 by 3 is the probability of getting the total number dice. Means total number of possible outcomes is means the total number of dice that is facing is A is equal to 1 by 3. His total number of facing dice D on it is 1 because D is 1. See, only one D is present. So therefore it is equal to 1 by 6 is the total number of faces having D on the die. Next question. See, suppose you drop a die on randomly on the regular region that is shown in the given figure. Rectangular region. What is the probability that it will be land inside the circle with diameter 1 meter? Now area of the rectangle is length into breadth, that is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6 meters. So therefore area pi or cube is the formula minus pi 1 by pi by 2 whole square. So therefore it will be equal to totally 4 by 6. 4 by 6 is the total, because square if we do 3 square and 2 whole square, 2 by 3 if we do whole square, it will be 4 by 6, that is equal to, again if we do whole square, sorry, pi by 4 it will get, no, as here you got pi by 4 is the we get, so 4 gets cancelled, so therefore it will be pi by 24 is the radius of the die. Okay. Next, in a lot consists of 144 ball pens and 20 or defective pens it has, and other or good pen. Nuri will buy a pen if it is good. If it is good, she will buy a pen, but will not buy if it is defective. She will not buy. The shopkeeper draws one pen out randomly and gives it to her. What is the probability that she will buy it? Now, total pen is 144. In that, total pen is 144. Okay, 144 minus 20 because 20 are defective pen. That remove that. That is equal to 124. So 124 by 144, that is equal to 31 by 36 is the probability that Noori will buy that pen. What is probability that she will not buy it? 31 by 36, because 1 minus 31 by 36, because she will not buy, that is probability it is lesser than or equal. So therefore it is equal to 5 by. Next, two dice, one blue and one grey, are thrown at the same time. Probability is that 2 dice is, or 2 is 1 by 36, 8 is 5 by 36. Next, a first one is, it can be observed that the sum as possible outcome in that question 2 is 1 comma 1. 3 is 2 comma 3, because here 2 is there. 2 dice, 2 comma 1, like that only. Totally in 12, the possible outcome is 6 comma 6, like that you have to take. Next, a student that there are 11 that argues that there are 11 possible outcomes: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Therefore, each of them has a probability of 1 by 1. Now see how this will happen means, see, 1 by 36, because here 1 they have asked. Add number till 6 and again go down from that 6. See, like this. So, probability of each of them, second question is, these sum will not be 1 by 1, or as these sums are not equally likely, because it is not, because the sum is not equally likely, he said, but you cannot say that there are any two pairs, so therefore the sums are not equally likely. A game, it consists of tossing 1 rupees coin 3 times. 3 times you have to toss 1 rupee coin, and not noting its outcomes each time. And if a person who wins all the toss gives the same results, 3 head or 3 tails, he will get to win. And if he wins all 3 tosses, 3 time toss, but for winning he should get 3 tails or 3 heads and loses otherwise. Otherwise he will lose the toss. He will lose that game. Calculate the probability that their Hanif will lose the game. See, head three times he has to toss. So what is probability means, head he will get 3 times, or tail he will get, or head tail he will get, or tail head tail he will get, or head or head tail he will get, or tail head he will get, or head tail he will get, or tail head 8 times. So number of possible outcomes is 8, and number of favorable outcomes he need is 2. Two favorable outcomes is he need 2. How means, he need for winning, he need tails and heads for winning of Hanif. 2 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. You will get is equal to 1 by 4 is the probability that need to win of the Hanif. Next, Hanif will lose the game if he get 1 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 4 he will get. So 3 by 4 if he get, he will lose that game. Okay. Next question is, a die is thrown twice. A die it is thrown twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come up either time? Die total 6 into 6. Thrice means 6 into 6. It will be, you have to take 6 into 6, 36. Total number of outcomes die will be twice 6 into 6, 36. So total number of outcomes 5 comes up on the die is 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, or 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, or 6, 5. If you take like that in twice, you will get 30. Now I will give clarity how 36. See, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, like that. If you do, when you do 6, 6 till 6, 6, you come 36 will be there. When you count all that 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, if you count these all, it will be 36 will be there. In that, 11 is the this number for 5. So therefore 11 by 36 is the probability that it will come either time 5 will come. Okay. Now 5 will not come is 1 minus 11 by 36. 36 minus 11 is equal to 25. 25 by 36. So 5 will come at least once. Once 5 will come means 11 by 36. The same only, no, once 11 by 36. In that probability only you will get once the 5. Next exercise 15.2. So these 24 questions you understand. Till here you understand half of the chapter, I think so. So by seeing that, I am going ahead. I think you understand half of the chapter. I am taking a good clarity from you. because this chapter is easy and important also for you to scoring the marks in your exam. In 15.2, in first question they have asked two customers were there. One name is Shyam, one person's name is Shyam, and another one is girl, her name is Ekta. They have visited some shop in the same week. In the same week, Tuesday to Saturday, in any week, in any day they have visited. Each is equally likely to visit that shop one day or as the another day they will visit that shop regularly. What is the probability that both will visit the shop on the same day? On the same day, what will be their probability that they will visit on the shop same day? Total number of outcome 5 days. In 5 days, 5 into 5 days in the way and way they have 5 ways they both visit. So 5 into 5, 25 will be there. So they can reach on the same day is 5 times, because there may be 5 waves in which they can reach that same shop in one day. And different ways, 5 days means different ways they will know. So 5 ways. So 5 by 25 will be 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 is the both will reach on the same day. Next, they can reach on consecutive days in these 8 ways. In the 8 ways, they can reach on different days. In different ways. Next, 8 by 25 is the probability that they will reach in the different ways. Both will reach on the same day. 1 by 5, because here see both will reach on the same day. First we got 1 by 5. 1 by 5 minus 5, so therefore both will reach on different days will be 4 by 5, because one day they will not reach, leaving that they in the 4 days they will reach on the same day. Next, see, a die is numbered. You have numbered a die in the same in such a way that its face shows the number. That the dice face shows the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6. It is shown that 2 times and total score in the two thrown is noted. The total score here you can see, first throw, second throw here you can see. Complete the following table with which gives a few values of the total score on the scoreboard. What is the probability that the total score is even? Even. What is the probability that it is even? See, if it is even, the answer will be 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6. We will get even. These are even number. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 7 you will get. Next you will get 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 8 you will get in second one. In third place you will get 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9. Like that in 6 you will get. So 6, 6 are 36. Total possible outcomes is of the 2 days will be 36. In that total times when the sum is given 18. Total sum is 18. 18 by 36 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 18 means they have asked total times when the sum is even. 18 times the sum will be even. Means half of the times the sum will be even and other half will be odd. Simple. 18 by 36 is it will be, so therefore it will be 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the total times when the sum is getting an even number. Next, total times when the sum is 6 is 6. The sum will become 6. So here you can see in the 4 times the sum is becoming 6. So therefore we get 6 sum as 6. So 4 by 36 is equal to 1 by 9 is the total times when the sum is 6. Next, the total times the sum is at least 6. The sum will be at least 6 is 15. 15 by 36 is equal to 5 by 12. So therefore 5 by 12 is the total times when the sum is getting at least 6. Next, in next question they have given a bag it containing 5 red balls and some blue balls. That bag it has. If the probability of drawing that blue ball is double that of red ball. Then determine the number of blue balls in that bag. Let the number of blue balls be x. We don't know blue ball. Number of red ball is 5. So 5x and the total number of balls is x plus 5. So 5 by x plus 5 you have to take in this equation. Getting a red ball, getting a blue ball. Next, x plus 5 is equal to x plus x by x plus 5. So therefore, when you do 5 to the 10 you will do. So therefore 10 is to x plus 5 is equal to x square plus 5x. Next, therefore x square minus 5x minus 50 by using factorization method you have to solve. At x square minus 10x plus 5x minus 15. So therefore x minus 10x plus 5 is the answer. So therefore x is equal to 10 or x is equal to minus 5 will be the total number of balls. Number of balls cannot be negative, so hence the total number of blue balls is 10. Next is a ball contains 12 balls out of which X are black. If one ball is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be a black ball? If 6 more balls are put in that box, the probability of drawing a black ball is now double because a 6 ball is added. What was before? We have to find. Total number of balls is 12. So therefore the total number of black balls is x. So total number of balls is x by 12. 6 more black balls are put in the box. So therefore 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. So x plus 6 by 18 because x plus 6 the number of black balls that you have added is x plus 6 by 18. Now 2 into x by 12 is equal to x plus 6 by 18. So therefore it will be 3x is equal to x plus 6 when you solve, and 2x is equal to 6. So therefore x is equal to 3 is the probability, means there are 3. The probability of drawing the black ball in that new box is 3. 3 black balls are there in that box. Next, final 2 questions of your chapter is: which of the following argument are correct and which are not correct? Why you think? Let us give reason. If 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, there are 3 possible outcomes. 3 possible outcomes which we get from the tossing the 2 coins. One we will get 2 tails, or one of 2 tails, or one of each. Therefore, each of these outcomes, the probability is 1 by 3. If a die is thrown, in second question, if a die is thrown, there are 2 possible outcomes, an odd number or an even number. Therefore, the probability of getting the odd number is 1 by 2. The first question is answer is wrong. When 2 coins are tossed, the possible outcomes are head head, head tails, tails head, or tails tails. Possible outcomes we can get. But here in that question they have given 1 by 3. So therefore it is not correct. The question is not correct. Next, in second question it is correct because the die is thrown. The possible outcome in the die is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And out of this 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5 are odd. 2, 4, 6 are even. So in that if you do 3 by 6 you will get 1 by 2. If you do 3 by 6, because 3 even number, they have asked even number by total number is 6. So therefore it will be 1 by 2 is the possible odd number. 1 by 2. Final question of your chapter. The probability is: a jar contains 24 balls. 24 balls. Some are green and other are blue. Think like that. If a marble is drawn randomly from that jar, the probability of getting it is green, that green is 2 by 3. We have to find the number of blue balls in that jar. Total number of balls is 24. Let the number of green marbles be x. So x by 24. X by 24 is equal to 2 by 3. The question they have given. 2 by 23. So therefore when you do it like that, it will be 16, because if you do multiply total, if you do, you will get 16. So therefore if you cross multiply and finish that, you will get 16 as the answer. So therefore x is equal to 24 minus 16. The total number of blue balls present in that jar is 8. So this was your last sum. And as I said, probability, it's an easy chapter, but the one thing you have to do is, and you have to understand that question what they have given and try to solve after understanding it. Before understanding, it's just if you read and you go to solve, you know, in that time you may have missed that one line or one number that they have given. If you miss it, then you will not take it to consideration. The answer will come wrong, because if it was an important line, then your answer will be wrong. So therefore, think about that answer. You read every line, think on it after that before writing the answer what you want to write there in that paper. Okay friends, so this was your chapter probability 15 chapter. So I will see you in my next video in another chapter. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye my dear friends.